Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's DIY is all about how to make your very own simple baby lotion. So if you're like me, you may have been surprised to learn that most commercially produced baby lotions contain a lot of less than desirable ingredients. Things like parabens, petroleum-derived oils, synthetic fragrances. So the recipe that I'm going to show you today is super simple. It's only 4 ingredients. They're all super high quality and very nourishing to the skin. And it only takes a couple of minutes to whip together because I know you're super busy if you have a baby on hand. So let's hop to it and check out this amazing DIY baby lotion. So here's a quick glance at the ingredients. All you're gonna need is some raw shea butter, some cocoa butter or mango butter, some olive oil, and castor oil. Lastly, if you want your lotion to be scented, you might consider some baby-safe essential oils. You'll also need a container with a lid or a pump bottle to store the lotion in. Now let's move on to the how-to. First, you'll want to add about half a cup of shea butter to a heat-safe bowl. Then toss in about a half a cup of cocoa butter. I love cocoa butter because it has a mild chocolatey scent and it's also filled with some great antioxidants. Next, pour in 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. If you want your lotion to be more pumpable, you can double this amount. Finally, toss in about a tablespoon of castor oil. This ingredient is optional, but it's super protective for the skin and has a lot of great nutrients. Next, place your bowl over a pot of boiling water. This will allow the oils to melt without burning. Once they're all melted, gently stir the oils together. Now is a great time to add any essential oils if you're hoping to have a scented lotion. We added about 15 drops of this lavender oil to ours. Finally, transfer the oil blend into your storage container and move it to the fridge to set. After about a half hour, your lotion blend will look something like this. It's totally usable in this form, but if you want it to have a more traditional lotion-y texture, then transfer it into the bowl of a stand mixer or pull out your whisk. Mix the lotion on high speed for about 2 minutes and then it is totally ready to rock. Now you have an incredible, high-quality, homemade baby lotion that your whole family can enjoy, and it just took you a few minutes to put it together. So I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe, and I hope that you'll give it a try yourself. I know that everyone in our house loves using this lotion, and I've heard anecdotes from friends that it's been great for baby acne and eczema as well. So if you're struggling with any of those issues, maybe this can help out. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, everybody.